Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ayomide Graphix. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a sliced text effect in Pixellab without wasting much of our time. Let's get into it. Now we've edited our text. Now let's give it. I will go with hyper super regular. Now let us centralize it. Now let's use our max tool to divide the text in two. Now we click the enable power. Now the next step for us to copy it, we will copy, click it, click on it. Now the next thing, click out. It's out. Now we drag it down. Now let us add our background color. I'm going with black. So you can leave it like this, but let us add more animation to it. Let's create a box. Now let's add our gradient. Now we are done with applying the gradient. Now we put it at the sliced area there. Now let's add color. Now let's do the text outline color using the stroke. That is the way to create a sliced text effect in Pixellab. You can try yours in any way you want. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to my channel to get updates on new video tutorials by clicking the subscribe button. Also click the like button below and give a comment on what you think about this video tutorial. You can also share this video across your socials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.